Hello students, welcome to channel Mathsment by Kamlesh. Today I shall solve for class 11 Maths exercise 3.2 question number 8, 9 and 10 from NCERT book. Chapter is trigonometric functions. I hope you will please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks. Question is find the values of the following trigonometric functions. Question 8, 9 and 10. Question 8 is tan 19 pi by 3. Okay, so 19 pi we can write. Before solving this question we must know that periodic function formula sine n into 2 pi plus x will be sine x. In this what we observe, sine n into 2 pi plus x is equal to sine x, means this n plus 2 pi n has been ignored. Why it has? So this x will come with sine here. So why this ignored? Because in 2 pi, in one this is this is 0, this is 90, this is 180 and this is 270 and again it is 360 degree. So 360 degree is also equal to 2 pi. Okay, so in one round we are completing 2 pi. So as much as 2 pi we shall complete, we shall again reach at the initial point. So this is not considered, only the angle more than this is considered here. Okay, so we can write this 19 pi by 3 in this form. How we can write this? We can write tan 3 6 the 18, 6 pi plus 1 pi by 3, right? And this can be also written as tan 2 3 into 2 pi. 3 into 2 pi is equal to 6 pi plus pi by 3. Okay, 3 into 6 18 plus 1 19 it became. So this 3 is equal to n, this 2 pi is equal to 2 pi, only x, only pi by 3 is coming at the place of x. So it will be like sine x is equal to sine x. So tan pi by 3 will be equal to tan, this we can ignore like in this formula, tan pi by 3, and it is equal to root 3. Pi by 3 means pi by 3 into 180 degree, so it will be 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is also root 3. This is the answer. Okay, question next is question 9. It is sine minus 11 pi by 3. We know that sine minus x is equal to minus sine x cosec minus x is equal to minus cosec x. Tan minus x will be equal to minus tan x, cot minus x will be minus tan x. So this minus degree angle comes on before the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so this is the formula. Only in case of cos minus x will be equal to cos x, sec minus x will be equal to sec x. Except this, and this formula will be applicable for all trigonometric functions. Here sine is there, this may be cos, this may be tan, this may be cot, like that. So on this formula we have to keep this. So it will be by sine minus x is minus sine x. We are writing here sine minus sine 11 pi by 3. So 11 pi by 3 can be written in two ways. If 11 is divided by 3, quotient will be 3. and remainder will be 2 by 3. 2 by 3 pi will be more than 90 degree. For that we are not knowing the value, so we can take it also 12 minus 1 by 11. For 11 we can write 12 minus 1, so we can write it minus sign, and it can be written 4 pi minus pi by 3. This we can also write 3 into 4, 12 pi minus 1 pi is equal to 11 pi, and this can be written as minus sine 2 into 2 pi minus pi by 3. Okay, so 2 into 2 pi like this, n into 2 pi, it can be ignored, so it will be minus sine minus pi by 3. Okay, so this minus we are taking here, and this sine minus x will be minus sine pi by 3. Okay, sine minus x is equal to minus sine x, so this minus is here, sine minus x is minus sine pi by 3. Okay, this sine minus sine is here, sine minus x is equal to minus sine pi by 3, right? So what happened, minus minus plus sine pi by 3, that is equal to 60 degree. Sine 60 degree or pi by 3 is equal to root 3 by 2. This is answer. Okay, next question is question 10. It is cot minus 15 pi by 4. So again, like this formula, cot minus x is equal to, cot x, cot minus x will be minus cot x. So we are writing here minus cot 15 pi by 4. If we divide 15 by 4, it can be 3 by 4, 12 and 3 15, but 3 by 4 pi is a very large angle. For that we are not knowing value, so we can write it 14 16 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so we 16 minus 1 like that, 4 minus 1 by 4. So 4 for 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. So we shall write here minus, sometime we are adding the remainder and sometime we are deducting the remainder. That depends upon the cases what we have given. First of all, we should know that this should be nearest to next multiple. This should be nearest to next multiple. Fourth next multiple is 16 and one multiple is 12. 15 is nearer to 16 than 12. So we shall consider 16. Okay, and this will be 15 will be 4 pi minus pi by 4. So this will be 4 into 4, 16 pi minus 1 pi is equal to 15 pi. Again we are writing here minus cot, and this will be 2 into 2 pi minus pi by 4. Again 2 into 2 pi came on this formula, 2 n into 2 pi. So this 2 is n, 2 pi minus x. So it will be minus cot and minus pi by 4. So we know that cot minus x is equal to minus cot x. So again we shall apply this one. So this minus will keep here, and this cot minus pi by x will be minus cot pi by 4. Minus is keeping here, cot minus x is equal to minus cot x, means pi by 4 is equal to pi by 4 here. Okay, so this will be minus cot and minus cot, minus minus plus cot pi, cot pi by 4, and value of cot pi by 4 is equal to 1. This is the answer. If you liked it, you please share and subscribe this channel, and if you have any doubt, write in comment box. I will answer it. Thanks.